Introducing the 2026 Cupra TAVASCAN with an impressive 286 horsepower and endurance, 4 automatic transmission in a stunning blue exterior colour. This electric vehicle is not only powerful but also packed with features for comfort, convenience, safety and style. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Safety is a top priority with features like multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning. The vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing and a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie to learn more about the 2026 Cupra TAVASCAN and schedule a test drive today.